Okay, so I have right here, it's says 1999, but the paperwork says it's a 2000 International. It is a 4700 t44e, and I have crank with no start, but it doesn't have the when you turn it on and something comes on, like your fuel pump turns on or something. This is not doing it. I have no noise, and it'll crank and crank and crank with no problem, but I have no start. And I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is supposed to have a wire to it, and this wire pulls straight out the bottom of the filter here, and I don't know if that's supposed to be connected or what. So if anybody has any idea of, does that need power? Is it a ground? Is it just a sensor wire that hangs? Why my fuel pump is not starting? I have no idea why. So I've been trying and trying. I've already traced down from my relay down here, and I tried to put a ground to it. I've already tried to put power to it, and nothing is working. I can't get it to crank over. I already tried to jump and add power other places. Nothing's working. I don't understand. I can't seem to find any wires that are broken or damaged, besides at the relay itself was a little bit messed up. But if anybody can tell me or give me any hints, would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.